Hello, everyone. It's me, Erados12. And yes, it's been a long time. A lot has happened, but that doesn't matter. What matters today is that there's another devlog coming, which is what you're watching, and that the standard 2 game mode has been replaced. So let's get into it. Well, there is a candidate to replace standard 2 specifically, and that candidate is called containment. Now, if you don't know what that is, you can tell just by looking down here. Basically, containment is zombies, but in squads. So you have to fight off hordes of zombies in a squad, and you also have to avoid losing your squad leader as well as other players to these zombies. Now here's the deal. Just like other games, if a zombie touches you, you'll become one. However, if not, and the squad leader gets touched, game over. Like I said. Now, if everyone survives the wave of zombies, then another one gets spawned until the last wave is spawned and eliminated. And the thing is, players can only spawn in waves if they are turned into zombies, except for the squad leader. That's important. So, yeah. Now, everyone is a survivor from the start, and then as time goes by, they become zombies. So, that's how that works. Now, there are other details I would like to go over before we end this video or devlog. And one of those details is going to be, when will this come out? Well, I expect it to come out around next month, preferably in full. Right now, this mode is still in development. It just started, as you can see. And we are developing not just the zombies themselves, but also other objects such as this box here. Now, you might be wondering, you may have seen that before. Well, that's because, yes, I did find it somewhere. However, the thing about this box is that I had to do a little bit of editing to it in order to make it what I want it to be. And that's important when you're developing a game in general, is if you see something and it doesn't quite fit, you change that. That's what we did. So, with that being said, here's what we have done with, or what we're going to do rather, with the box. That mechanic is going to be the random infantry or just random unit crate. And what that does is it gives, as long as it corresponds to your unit or class, it gives you a random weapon from that class. So, for example, mainline regular infantry can use assault rifles and battle rifles and automatic rifles, or IARs for short. Now, those are the only three weapons you'll be able to get, or weapon types you'll be able to get from there. Support would be like machine guns, things like that. So, just to add variety. without breaking the immersion of the game. And we're going to have other elements too, but for right now, the most important part is that we focus on the zombies here, and this is like a nod to the classics, as well as these two. The other mechanics that make it unique, and the squads themselves, players included. All right. And this is just a little special devlog that I did to show you guys what's coming up and to let you know that I am still in this and we're going to finish strong here. Despite all that's happened in the past 2, 3 years. So, sorry about that. Yeah. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to like it, you can, and all, but that's not the focus of today's video. Anyways, that's it. Cheers.